The hidden world of anaconda farming and commercial use. In the heart of the South American rainforest, a silent giant glides beneath murky waters. One of nature's most enigmatic predators, the anaconda, can reach lengths of over 20 feet and weigh hundreds of kilograms. Fierce, respected, revered. But beyond its wild majesty lies a hidden story, one that intertwines nature, commerce, and human ambition. Today, we explore the world of anaconda farming and commercial use, how humans interact with these incredible creatures, what their skin and meat are used for, and what the future holds for these reptilian giants. Anacondas are apex predators, meaning they sit at the top of their food chain. They are non-venomous constrictors, capable of taking down large prey from birds and fish to even caimans. Their presence maintains the balance of the ecosystem, controlling populations of other animals and preventing overpopulation. Yet, despite their fearsome reputation, humans have always been fascinated by them. Stories, myths, and legends have painted anacondas as symbols of power and mystery, and it is this fascination that eventually led to one of the most unusual and controversial industries, anaconda farming. Understanding anaconda farming. Farming anacondas is not like raising cows or chickens. These are wild, intelligent reptiles. They require precise environmental conditions, water, temperature, humidity, and large, secure enclosures to thrive. The goal of controlled farming programs is twofold: conservation and regulation, reducing pressure on wild populations by providing a legal, controlled supply. Commercial use, supplying the fashion and exotic meat markets with a sustainable source of anacondas. However, this is a controversial practice. Many conservationists argue that farming alone cannot stop illegal hunting. It requires strict monitoring, government permits, and adherence to international wildlife protection laws, particularly under CITES, which regulates the trade of endangered species worldwide. The journey of anaconda skin. One of the most sought-after products from anacondas is their skin, known for its distinctive scale pattern. Anaconda leather is a luxury material in fashion and design. Each skin is unique, with natural markings that make it highly prized for high-end products like handbags, boots, belts, and jackets. But transforming a raw anaconda hide into finished leather is a delicate, multi-step process. Skinning carried out carefully to preserve the natural pattern. Tanning using natural or chemical treatments to make the leather durable. Finishing, polishing, and softening for luxury use. Because of the rarity and beauty of the skin, it commands a high price in the market. However, strict legal guidelines are in place to ensure that skins come from sustainably farmed or legally sourced animals, not from illegal poaching. Interestingly, anaconda leather is more flexible than crocodile leather and can be dyed in various shades, making it versatile for designers around the world. This is why luxury brands often pay thousands of dollars for a single hide anaconda meat and local traditions. While the skin is commercially valuable, anaconda meat has a different story. In some South American communities, particularly in the Amazon, anaconda meat has been a source of nutrition for centuries. Why do people eat it? High protein content, low fat compared to traditional red meat, survival and cultural significance. Traditionally, the meat is smoked, dried, or cooked in stews with local herbs and spices. In these communities, every part of the animal is used, respecting nature's gift. However, outside these traditional contexts, commercial sale of anaconda meat is heavily regulated or outright illegal, reflecting global concerns about overexploitation and conservation, ethical and environmental concerns. The rise of anaconda farming raises important ethical questions. Should humans manipulate wild populations for profit? Conservationists warn that wild anacondas are essential for ecosystem balance. Over-farming or poaching can threaten their survival. Farming does not automatically stop illegal hunting. Black markets still exist. In recent years, some luxury brands are shifting towards synthetic alternatives, creating exotic look leather without harming wildlife. Yet, the allure of authentic anaconda skin remains strong for many collectors and designers. The future of anacondas. Anacondas have roamed the earth for millions of years, adapting and surviving in some of the most hostile environments. Today, their future depends on human choices. Protecting their habitats, enforcing wildlife laws, and promoting sustainable alternatives could ensure these giants continue to thrive not just as resources, but as living symbols of nature's power and resilience. The question remains, will the anaconda remain a majestic predator of the wild, or become just another luxury commodity? The rainforest waits silently for the answer. The story of the anaconda is not just about survival. It's about respect, balance, and understanding the consequences of human greed. The choice is ours, for the rainforest, for the snakes, and for the planet.